So after creating group, now if you need to ungroup it, then how will do that? Simply click here, and here you will get option ungroup. If you click here, it will ungroup. Otherwise, if you click UNG, then enter, then also you will see back to its previous form. Everything is ungrouped. So this is the way to do your work. Otherwise, if I just go back, Ctrl Z, and their group, select them, and if you click here edit group, I'll click here to edit group, then add object, remove object. Okay, so if you want to add object, click here add object. So if you want to add some object with that group, then also you can select them. So if you select, then if you enter, and if you click here, just see they have selected. Again, if you click here, and if you go here edit group, sorry, here edit group. Okay, now what you want to do actually? Do you want to select or anything? So you have to choose it. I'll escape, then I'll go here select, and if I go here edit, then you will get, again you will get remove object. So if I click here remove object, and if I click here and here, and here, so it will remove. And then if I go for enter, and if I click here, it will create a group with that one except that's. So this is the way to use your grouping tools perfectly.